guys, so this is the very late assignment for the video. Very late video assignment. Pardon my voice, I've been sick in bed for a couple days. I got a nasty cold. So first thing I wanted to show you guys is how you center the text. So if you're typing, so you got this, you're typing normal away. Go up here to the toolbar and you select this button, which will center the text for you. And there it puts it directly in the center of the page for you. It's pretty handy. Also, how to left justify the text. If you click the Control button on your keyboard, you can't see it, but Control and then L will shift it to the left, and that is left justifying the text. In the document that I typed up for this assignment, it shows how to, asks us how to format the paragraphs. I formatted the paragraphs coming up here. I just left it, at the normal. There's no spacing or anything like that. I adjusted the paragraph spacing by clicking on this button here, this icon, and I put it to 2.0, which will automatically, make 2 spaces for you there like that. And I also just left it at the aligned text to the left because that's how I prefer to type the documents. I centered it for the center of the document, but as it is right now, I just aligned it to the left. So how to turn on the ruler is you go up to, see the toolbar up here, you click on View, and it's on Print Layout right now. You click on the ruler, and the ruler will pop up. Now the side ruler over here you use to adjust the margins. This one, the one on the right, the vertical one, it'll help you adjust your top and bottom margins, while the one up here will help you adjust your right and left margins. So the paragraph markers are useful, like here, up here is where you turn them on, this little button here. So that turns on the paragraph marker, and as you make, I'm clicking the enter button, as you make a new paragraph, it shows up. And if you're using this, it allows you to see the lines in between the words of the paragraphs that you're making. So it just kind of helps you to be aware of your spacing, and if your spacing is incorrect, how to fix it. And you could just turn it on and off by using this button up here. How I set the page number on my document is I use the tab button, and I go all the way over here, and I type my last name, and I do 1 space, and then I do the page number. Now sometimes it does that because my name's a bit long. So then I backspace 1, and then I space over. It's about 9 spaces to the end of the page. And then that's how I put my name with the page number at the end of it, which is crucial in MLA formatting. Now, how to insert a citation is up here. You go to the References ribbon up here, and you click on this button that says Insert Citation. And having a citation, you click Add a New Source here, and you can source, if it's a book section, a journal article, or something like that, and then you just type in, and then it'll cite it all out for you. Once you're done, you hit OK. And it'll cite it all out for you. You need it for MLA as well. So that's what you do. Now, how to enter a bibliography, you go up to the References ribbon again, and it'll say Bibliography down here, and you insert your bibliography, and it'll pop this up. I don't have any current document in here, but when you put one in here, you can. And then go up to the Home button to center it, and click this button like I showed you earlier, and that's how you will center your bibliography text. So to show you how to use Find and Replace, I just typed up this short little paragraph, and I'm going to replace the word damage with the word injury. So if you hit the Control button on your keyboard and then the H, this will pop up, Find and Replace. So it says to find what word, and I typed in damage here, and you have to replace it with the word you want to replace it with. So I used injury. I'm going to click Replace. I'm going to highlight the word damage, and then I replaced it with injury. Okay, so as you can see down here, it counts the words, and that's how it'll count out all the words that you've typed. I've typed 19 words here. Now for spell check, I obviously know that's not how you spell alive, but if you right click on it, it will pop up the options, and I'll correct it to alive. So that's how you use spell check and word count. And my favorite feature that I learned about in this chapter was actually the paragraph marks, because I never knew about that before, and that is something that I use a lot now that I know about it, and it's helped me a lot. So thanks for watching.